Hi folks, it is time for science. This is your weekly agenda for May 11th. Seniors, this is your last week, and in fact, Monday is your last day. I made a bit of an uh-oh in terms of the schedule and thought we would get to wrap up this unit together, but it turns out we're just going to have you wrap up on Monday. Anything that is due on Wednesday is not your responsibility, so do not worry about taking the quiz, do not worry about submitting the comic assignment. Juniors, we're going to finish this semester strong, so you will need to complete those assignments even though the seniors won't, but that's because they are done after the 11th, at least in our class. So, very similar to as we've done in previous weeks, this is our second week of a system. This is kind of where we wrap up. That means that Monday you will finish the notes. That's slide 21 to the end. You will complete a third crash course, which is the final crash course, and then you're going to continue working on your assignment. This is the first day that you should really starting to be putting pencil on paper and making headway. Remember that you don't have to be stuck to that certain comic template, but if you need sort of a starting point, that's not a bad place to be. On Wednesday, you'll actually kind of finish up your comic, submit it, and then of course you have your open note quiz. So let's go into Schoology, take a look at this week. So this is only a screencast for the entire week just because we've done this enough times. I'm under a time crunch this week. We're just going to get this done and over with. So we have some attendance questions for each day for Monday and Wednesday. And then this is your finish the lymphatic / immune system. Again, what you're submitting is going to be the crash course part 3. The Wednesday assignment is going to be submit the immune system comic and take the open note quiz below. So this is a copy of the comic assignment. You can print it if you did it digitally, take pictures, I don't care what you did, just find a way to submit it. You're all smart students. Once you're done with that, of course, you'll go down here and click on the quiz. There is not a review this time just because I feel like in order to complete this quiz sufficiently, the notes that you have taken should be enough. Hint, hint. That being said, I'm sure that quiz will go fine for folks even without a review. Just a quick note, I will not be available again during Wednesday and Thursday during class time. You feel free to reach out to me via email. I am more than happy to answer questions and concerns through email, but I will be helping out all day with senior check-in at the school, so I will not be available during class time or office hours. If you would like to get a hold of me, most likely Tuesday or Friday during office hours would be a great time to do that. Otherwise, email is your best shot this week. I apologize in advance for any inconvenience that may cause, but I do appreciate your understanding in allowing me to take the time to support our folks who need to get checked in and need to get their materials back from the school. With that being said, I hope you are well, and we'll see you next time, folks. Please let me know if you have questions, but bye for now.